Alright, gentle people, welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, that's what we need. Like, comment, and subscribe. Now, Squash drop a new video named Menace, and we are going to jump right tonight because, you don't know, Squash are one of them OG there from longer time. So we are going to jump tonight and review the video and the song, the lyrics, everything will come with the whole package. You see me? So like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. Let's dive inside the 6 camp and make we see what dog them come up with.
Ooh, bad.
I remember I have to pause the video every 10 seconds so we don't get copyright. Dog market big 6 on the screen already.
6. Rich nigga shit, fuck a nigga bitch. I ain't innocent, I'm a menace. Real famous, bitch lit, this balls ain't tennis.
Is it me or this I give off like a Busta rhyme? You know them long time Busta rhyme there? You know them long time hip hop there? Yeah.
Bitch lit, this balls ain't. I won't play with a heart, I'ma break it. Is this a birthday, babe? Shake it. Put a cup
Hold on. Come, let's Squash find it again, Sophie Christmas.
Ooh, bad.
Hold on there. It come like Squash Friday for Christmas, you know, cause this so far this kinda sound tough.
6. Rich nigga shit, fuck a nigga bitch. I ain't innocent, I'm a menace. Real famous, bitch lit, this balls ain't tennis. Bitch lit.
Yo, me not gonna lie, dog. The intro, me say this all the time. The intro have a lot to do with how long gonna keep on viewers for the music videos. You see me? Remember me tell you that.
This balls ain't. I won't
Yeah. Mama titi do up.
play with a heart, I'ma break it. Is this a birthday, babe? Shake it. Put a cups up. Put up.
But nah lie still. Squash girl them in them video them always. They can't tell that some girl from them do body girl there. You see me?
Bottles up. Put a cups up. Don't talk to my boy, get the money up. Me make 100 grand, I'ma
Put your cups up. Don't talk to me, boy, get your money up.
it out. Any gal when me breed, get a tummy tuck. On the
Bombo clan! Youth!
like dog.
Any girl when me breed get a tummy tuck. Pull it up again and come again now. I'm too no.
Ooh, bad.
But now I know 6 drop music consistently, you know. I'm not gonna say every song good. Deep in himself, him know say every song I no hit. But it's when this man drop music, or no can't say it don't have potential to be a hit. And so far this sound like a hit. You know, so I'm going to Squash like a Menace with you in a real life.
6. Rich nigga shit, fuck a nigga bitch. I ain't innocent, I'm a menace. Real famous, bitch lit, this balls ain't tennis. Bitch lit,
Bitch lit this bar, eh?
this balls ain't. I won't play with a heart, I'ma break it.
I won't play with the heart, I'ma break it. Man, man sound like him a rap.
This a birthday, babe, shake it. Put a cups up. Put a bottles.
Yo, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, 2 times. Pull up a song already, you know. This might be the first to pull up a song 2 times still, you know. But nah, tell no lie.
Put a cups up.
No. Me pull up a song 2 times already. Like me, I tell.
Don't talk to my boy, get the money up. Me make 100 grand, I'ma done it out. Any gal when me breed, get a tummy tuck. On a broke like dog, gonna fucking up. Yeah.
Watch and see. If Jamaican TikTok not take that and say any girl them breed them a face a tummy talk. Remember me tell you, man. Me no name of my name.
$5, so my money enough. But she see the big brick pussy open up. Guess amigo Hennessy, I'm a double cup. She work out fit body, give me this money, man.
That's sick, you know. Casamigo Henny in a me double cup. Yeah, that tough. Me like that.
Bad totally. Me gal bring a friend and she fuck Molly. She said me too bad, and me too dishonest. Scam my boy lavish, sweet like fabric. Day and night foreign and I be a bad dolly.
Yo, if I know nothing I love with the Jamaican artists, them music videos that come out phenomenal. I love it. I love it 100%. Big up to all the videographer them.
Promise you the 6 pints slip that's
See?
smarty.
True word, man.
Company, my Glock got bodies. Put the bodies up, put the cups up. Don't talk to my boy, get the money up. Me make 100 grand, I'm done it all. Any gal when me
And the man say make 100 grand and him done it out. And the girl when breed get a tummy tuck.
breed, get a tummy tuck. Until you hear that man, me will rub him out. Me drive out, now Benz, yeah, me coming home. Fashion see the big brick pussy open up. Guess I'm
And them man they serious so them say they don't rub you out to the dog. I tell you that, you know. Don't play with Scotch man them, you know. Alright, don't play with the 6.
go Hennessy, now me double cup. She work out, fit body. Give me this mommy, man, bad totally.
Yo, man, is that, you know. Anytime I got you, I'm see a girl, I say she work out fit, mommy. Give me this body.
Me gal bring friends and them fuck body. Me live like Maddis. Big black matty can't damn me 6 job.
Yo, big up the 6 them. 6 them I do it. Man, them in a one world by themselves over there, so, and I do it. Man, them not in a no bag. So, you know, the man, them doing some little thing what they are, you see me? But we're not going to judge the man, them, you see me? Because we don't know if the story true. But the man, them just in a one different place by themselves.
Get drink and smoke, we party tonight. Somebody girl taking away home mine. I'm trying to get my dick sucked, turned on the light. I see the way you're looking at me, good.
Bombo clad. Yo! This is it, me youth. Yo, a Christmas banger this.
Night, babe.
Unless artists have something else. But right now, this sound like a type banger, brother.
Let me buy a drink. Me a bonus spliff. Then I broke your dick. Me carry 9x19 30 clip. You know Pablo the Esco, I saw me rich. Put the bodies up.
Pablo the Esco, Summer Rich. No, no. Comment down below if you know what I'm just here a while ago. Pablo the Esco, Summer Rich. Make me know who no think him attack. Because some of like a Gen Z really know nothing about this thing yet, no.
Put the cups up. Don't talk to my boy, get the money up. Me make 100 grand, I'm done it all. Any gal when me breed, get a tummy tuck. Gonna broke like that, gonna fucking up.
Like, comment, subscribe. But soon get a sound card, you know, because them singer deserve some whole heap of pull up nice, you know. Watch and see.
And 5, so my money no. But she see the big brick pussy open up. Guess I me go Hennessy, now me double cup. She work out, fit body. Give me this mommy, man, bad totally.
Yo, like, whoa. Yo, is it like girl every night, back yasso? Jesus Christ.
Me gal bring a friend and she fuck Molly. She said me too bad, and me too dishonest. Tell my boy lavish, sweet like fabric. Day and night, parring and a be a bad dolly. Promise you the 6 pound slip that's mad.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie to no dog. Squash find it.
Promise you the 6 pound slip that's muddy.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie to no squash find it. Squash find it. That are the part that are the party banger. That are the party banger for the Christmas. If you don't feel like me wrong, comment down below and let me know. But me feel like that song there is the party song for the Christmas. Me not be someone no boy, no girl want to say. Lyrics A1. Video A1. Creativity A1. No, basically what the song I say. Let me break it down for you. Pretty much it's self-explanatory if I listen to the lyrics. You see me that time I say I don't think I need for comments or come tell you what the song mean, what the song say. I can just go to my reaction, my review. No, the song pretty much I tell you say, yo, him have money. Any girl in breed I forget a tummy talk, which is explaining again, say, yo, him have money, him I gotta take care of him woman them. Him I try to get him cock suck, turn on the lights. Any girl when him girl come check him, bring friends over. I feel Bobby 6. You see me? So pretty much the summarization of the song is just making money, fucking a whole bunch of a hot girl and doing what I'm have to do. You see me? If you keep everything afloat. Pretty much him I tell us him I live a movie. You see me? When man I go up on screen go act, him I live it in a real life. Pretty much. You see me? So if you have something different, please comment down below. You see me? Like, comment, subscribe. Me give this song a 10 out of 10. This are the... Yo, unless somebody come out with something else, with something better than this, but for now, I feel like this is going to be the Christmas banger. That's just what me feel. You see me? This stuff, and Rebel need to do a dance to this. Rebel, please, present yourself. Do something. TikTok need this. You see me? TikTok need this. Yes. TikTok need this right now. Like, comment, subscribe. Soon in the next video.